Good analysis. Okay, that's number 6. Let's look at 7 here. I think they wanted to write 4 1/3. 4 1/3 divided by 1/1/16. Is that what they, or 1/6, sorry. 1/16? Yeah, I think they 1/16 here. So I think they wanted to just divide these two fractions. So I have 4 1/5 and 1/1/16. Or sorry, 4 1/3, not fifths here. So basically, if I'm dividing two mixed fractions, what I want to do is I want to convert them into improper fractions. So I have mixed fractions. Sorry, that was really bad. Mixed fractions, and I want to convert them into improper fractions. So if I were to do this conversion, again, I'm doing 4 times 3 plus 1, right? So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So 13/3. I'm still doing the division operation. 1 times 6 plus the numerator. So 1 times 6 here is 6, plus 1 would give me 7/6. And what we can do is when we're dividing fractions, what we can do is we can simply just change this to a multiplication question by basically multiplying by the reciprocal. So we have 13/3. I'm changing my operation to multiply, and I'm simply going to flip the second fraction. So instead of 7/6, this would be now 6/7. And again, this question now becomes really easy, right? So I can simply just cross this guy out and divide these guys by 3. So I would have 26. 13 times 2 is 26 over 1 times 7 is 7. So I have 26/7. Or you can simply rewrite this as a mixed fraction by simply taking 7 times what number gives me closest to 26? Well, 7 times 3 gives me 21, which is close to 26, and a remainder of 5, which is simply 5/7. So these are my answers here. So 26/7 or 3 and 5/6. So this solution here is correct. Good analysis.